Einstein of Wall Street is a busy man. Let's see what he's up to along with the stock market. Hi, Peter. What was going on over there?
Where? Over there?
Yeah.
So we brought down a young man named King Singh, who's a young kid who has leukemia, and he's fighting a blood disorder, as are his siblings. And he was inspired by some young artists, and turned out they were part of my world of artists, so I decided I would introduce them all and bring them all here and surprise him. So we had Justin Ruby made a jacket of Drake, who was the artist that got him out of bed when he was in the middle of chemotherapy, which he still is. King Saladin was one of his inspirations. Su Sai was the first person to give him his first set of paints when he was 2.5. So it was sort of a big surprise. The Exchange just put on an amazing show. He rang the bell. They gave him a distinguished guest certificate, a medallion. We went upstairs to see the art show upstairs. People who are fighting disease like that makes you grateful for your life. It's an inspiration for us to just get up every morning and keep going.
There's always a lot of action happening here at the New York Stock Exchange, especially some inspirational ones. And that was really nice to see and heartwarming. We'll show some photos. In the meantime, what kind of market action is happening today, Peter?
It's sort of, the market is sort of flattened out. We've had a fast and furious rise back from the sell-off about a week and a half ago. It's sort of funny because it seems like there are crises being created and then solutions being found. It's a little bit smoke and mirror to me. It seems like that we're setting our stage for a lowering of interest rates, which is baffling to me because the narrative usually used to take much longer to happen. And now we are going from a raising interest rates and a roaring market to potentially global slowdown because of the China problem and potentially Mexico, and that we may lower the rates to put the gas on the fire here. So all that being said, the market has rebounded to 26,000, almost 2,900 in the S&P, and that's, there are real people with real money buying this valuation. Are we at a pause? Absolutely. Did we see the market go from up 200 yesterday to down 40? Yes, it felt like it kind of ran out of steam. We've had 6 consecutive up days, right? And the headline is that it's the first 6 consecutive up days, big rebound in tech, that we've seen in years, right? So that's all good, right? As I always say, this could be dislocated, and disrupted by one tweet on the upside and the downside. For now, market's sort of trading in a channel, seems okay, waiting for the next shoe to be put on or dropped. It's all good.
Awesome, Peter. Well, our viewers will definitely look out for our tweet later with our interview. Thanks for coming on the show today.
My pleasure. Good to see you, Vazi.